AI trading bots are making crypto investing easier than ever. But how do you actually set one up to start making passive income? Today, I'm taking you step by step through the exact process to launch your own AI trading bot, even if you've never used one before. Stick around because at the end, I'll reveal pro trader secrets that can 10x your bot's efficiency. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Choosing the right AI trading bot. Before setting up a bot, you need to choose the right platform. Here are the top 3 options. 1. Pionex. Best for beginners, built-in bots, 0 subscription fees. 2. 3, best for advanced traders, smart trading terminals, and automation. 3. Bitsgap. Best for arbitrage trading, smart AI grid bots, and risk control. Each bot is designed for different strategies, so make sure you pick one that fits your goals. Planning to trade 24/7 with automation? Use Pionex. Want full customization and advanced strategies? Go with 3 commas. Looking for arbitrage profits? Bitsgap is your best bet. Now, let's move to the real setup. Chapter 2. Setting up your AI trading bot now. Let's set up your bot from scratch. Follow these steps. Step 1. Sign up and connect your exchange. First, create an account on your chosen AI trading platform. Then, link it to your exchange, Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, using an API key. Important, make sure your API permissions are correct. Enable trading, but disable withdrawals for security. Step 2. Choose your trading strategy. Most AI bots offer multiple strategies like grid trading, profits from market fluctuations up and down DCA dollar cost averaging, reduces risk over time. Arbitrage exploits price differences across exchanges. Pick one based on your risk tolerance and market conditions. Step 3. Set trading pairs and risk parameters. Now, select which crypto pairs you want to trade. Popular ones include BTC/USDT, stable and high liquidity, ETH/USDT, ideal for trending markets, altcoins/USDT, high risk, high reward. Next, set your investment amount. Start small, scale up. Take profit and stop loss levels. Risk management is the key. Leverage settings, only if you know what you're doing. Pro tip, start with low leverage or no leverage to avoid liquidation. Chapter 3. Running and optimizing your bot. Now that your bot is live, here's how to monitor and optimize it for better results. 1. Track performance daily. Check profit-loss trends and adjust parameters if needed. 2. Avoid overtrading. Too many trades equals high fees. Keep spreads optimal. 3. Use backtesting. Most AI bots allow you to test strategies before going live. Mistakes to avoid: not setting stop loss can lead to huge losses. Ignoring fees: small fees add up fast. Using too many trading pairs: focus on 1 to 2 solid pairs instead. Chapter 4. Pro tips to maximize profits. Want to 10x your AI bot's performance? Here's what pro traders do. Use multiple time frames. Combine short-term, scalping, and long-term DCA strategies. Leverage market news. Set bots to react to Bitcoin news and whale movements. Reinvest profits. Compounding small gains leads to huge results over time. Insider hack. Watch for low volatility days. That's when bots make the most stable profits. Final verdict and call to action. And that's it. You just set up your AI trading bot and are ready to automate your crypto trades like a pro. Which AI bot are you using? Comment below, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-making update.